Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to design artistic photo masks. Start by selecting areas where creative emphasis is needed and refine them using mask overlay mode for controlled, expressive edges. Apply the mask to textures, color overlays, or adjustment layers to introduce artistic depth without overpowering the image. Use blending modes and opacity control to balance creativity with clarity. Optional tips include combining multiple masks for layered effects and mood-based styling. Artistic masking allows you to experiment freely while maintaining a clean, professional structure.